guys, today we'll be doing the all planes. I forgot all fighter jets to landing at USS Gerald. Oh, lag! I'm lagging. Uh, I thought I was lagging. Wait, let me just change my gear options. I'm just going to get off like five, five, four, three, two, boom, kaboom! Here goes the tower. Watch it crumble. I'm gonna try to land at USS Gerald with a copper maneuvers. I don't use flaps. At this for this I need flaps. Oh oh W save chat. Bro, W save in the chat, bro. W save in the chat. I'm getting close. It's going, all going. Push. Also easy. Push. Yeah, double landing chat. Okay, first done. No, second one. No. I can edit on my PC and press like bow. I need that money. T1 doesn't end by the way. Chat, I have an idea. Let me just land the 10 jet, okay? Only 10 jet. Because this is gonna take a while. And I don't have that much time, so. Yeah, 10. It's the second one. Wait, let me just show you the most. Fuck. Chat. No, that it's Russian. Wait, let me just choose other. Fighter jet, right? So I have an idea. Let me just land this because it's a fighter jet, bro. Jet is jet. No. For this one, I'm gonna use this one. And this jet is kind of slow. Ain't not gonna lie. gang war. Okay, slow down. Push. Oh no no no. 2, 3, 4. Can I land this jet? Let's find out. This jet's seen some real models. I start this gangster shit. Yeah, W. Oh, it's part 1. If you want part 2, like and subscribe. See ya.